paper planes! Hi friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. Why don't we make 3D shapes today? Alright Bubbles, let's go! For this, we will require a pencil and a piece of paper. Let's start joining the dots first. Yes, at first we will make a cube. For this, let's make 2 sleeping lines, then join them with standing lines. And after that, why don't we extend slanting lines and make it 3D? Yes, this is a cube. Now, let's go ahead with the next one. For this, we are going to make an oval, then have 2 slanting lines extended out there. Why don't we join it with a curve? Lovely! This is a cylinder. Now, let's make a pyramid. For the pyramid, we made 3 dots and after that, joined it with lines. Let's start sketching it now. Yes, with a black sketch pen. Now, why don't we start coloring this with warm colors? Let's use dark yellow, light yellow, and red for the cube. We will do the outline and start coloring inside. For the pyramid, why don't we use green and blue color? And for the cylinder, why don't we use purple and pink color? Great! Now let's start doing the next set of 3D shapes. Here we have made a cuboid. And after that, why don't we make a bowl shape? And then another type of prism. Now it's time for us to color. But before that, did you sketch it with your black sketch pen? That's great. Let's color in one direction and do the outline as well. You can start coloring this with different colors. Looks great, isn't it? are done with 6 3D shapes. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Stay tuned for our next video.